This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about a liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. My mother-in-law's secret for streak-free windows. I threw out all the store-bought cleaners after trying this once. Just open a regular bottle of Coca-Cola and screw on a spray nozzle from an old cleaning bottle. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid, which breaks down tough grime, grease, and stains. It works faster than you'd expect and doesn't leave streaks or residue. Spray the dirty window directly with the cola. Wipe it with a damp microfiber cloth. You'll see the stains start to dissolve. You can also pour some cola onto the cloth and clean that way. Perfect for light dirt or delicate surfaces. No need to scrub hard. Cola really does the work. Finish by wiping the window with a dry, clean cloth until it shines. It's a ridiculously simple method that truly makes a difference, especially when other cleaners fail. Try it once, and you'll forget store-bought window sprays for good. You will always clean your windows this way in your home. Your windows will shine. This method allows you to clean your windows quickly and cheaply. Thanks to this trick, washing windows becomes enjoyable and fast. Cleaning windows, especially after winter, is a nightmare for many people. Try this method, and you won't regret it. You only need 2 ingredients, and the amount of solution you'll prepare will be enough to clean all your windows with some left over. Prepare 700 milliliters of boiling water. The water must be hot to dissolve talc. Talc is a natural mineral with absorbent and cleansing properties. Mix the water with talc until the talc dissolves. Wait for the water to cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. Start cleaning your windows by spraying the mixture and wiping with paper. Paper is the best for polishing windows. Your windows will shine, and you'll be pleasantly surprised by the clarity of the glass. You can forget about streaks, and your windows will be spotless in just a few minutes. If window cleaning tires you, try this method. This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly. Spray your windows with this. No more flies inside. This is hands down the best trick for keeping flies away. I mix just 2 ingredients with water and spray it around my window and door frames. This natural repellent keeps flies from sneaking into your home. And it works on mosquitoes and ticks too. You only need 3 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. No need to buy expensive chemical sprays anymore. This DIY solution takes just a minute to make, and it actually works. Grab a pitcher and a spray bottle. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of water, then add 200 milliliters of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar both work great. Stir it well. Now take your essential oil. Add about 40 drops. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil all do the job. Stir again. Pour the mix into your spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames, door frames, and if you have a patio door, spray that too. For even better protection, lightly mist your curtains. Thanks to this spray, you can enjoy a bug-free home all spring and summer. No more buzzing in your ears. Mix it with water and wipe the window frames. Forget about yellow stains. From now on, your windows will be the whitest on the block. Grab a bowl and pour in a liter of warm water. Take some baking soda or baking powder from your kitchen cupboard and add it to the water. It's a great, natural whitener that works perfectly on plastic surfaces. Add a bit of dish soap, too. It cuts through grease and lifts dirt easily. Mix everything together. Then I take a sponge and simply wipe the frames. No scrubbing, no effort. The baking soda gently whitens and removes old stains. This trick not only cleans, but also protects the frames from future buildup. I wash them once, and they stay clean for a long time. Try it, and see how your window frames become snow white again. It's such a simple hack, yet it works better than expensive store-bought cleaners. No more yellow spots. Just a clean, bright finish thanks to a mix of 3 basic ingredients you already have at home. Your neighbors will definitely start asking what you use to clean your windows. And then you can share the secret to brilliantly white frames that last for years. Just 3 drops of this and you can forget about cleaning your windows for months. The glass becomes resistant to dirt. Washing windows is a nightmare for many of us. Dust settles quickly, and streaks can ruin the whole effect. This homemade mixture solves the problem. Pour about a quart of warm water into a tall container. Add a few drops of glycerin. This creates a thin, invisible protective layer on the glass that prevents dust and dirt from sticking, keeping windows clean much longer. But that's not all. Add a small measure of white vinegar. Vinegar dissolves greasy stains and leaves the surface crystal clear. Mix everything well and pour it into a spray bottle for easy use. Spray the dirty windows with the solution. It not only removes stubborn grime, but also makes the glass perfectly smooth and shiny. Wipe with a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. The result? Sparkling, streak-free windows that stay clean for weeks. Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and one pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort.